Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to be covering nets and surface area. These are the topics that we've been covering for the past 2 days. Let's draw a net of a rectangular prism. You're going to have the top part, the tab on the sides, a base, another side, and another base. So this side, we'll label it A. Both of the A's are the same size. B and B are exactly the same size as well. And C and C are the same size as well. Well, this tells us that in order to find the surface area, we're going to need to find the area of A, the area of B, and the area of C all together, multiply by 2, and that will give us our total surface area. Now let's assume that this tab right here, let me draw a little bit better. This tab right here is 2. That means that this one right here is also 2. This one right here is also 2. This one right here is also 2. And coincidentally, everything on the other side is 2 as well. That means that the tab and the sides are 2's. Now, if this right here we measure it as 6, that means that this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, this side right here is 6, and this side over here is 6. Now, the only thing we're missing is our longer side. Let's assume this is 8. That means all these are going to also be 8. Now, if we move on to this side and we start finding the area of A, well, if we remember correctly, the area is base times height. So if we go to A, the base is 2, and the height is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So our area for A is 12 units squared. Let's check area for B. Well, B, we know that our base is 8 and our height is 2. 8 times 2 is 16. So we're leaving us with 16 units squared. Now, the area of C. Well, we know that C, our base is 8, and our height is 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Leaving us with 3 different areas: 12, 16, and 48. In order to find the total surface area, we got to remember that we have 2 A's, which is 12 plus 12, 2 B's, which is 18 plus 18, 16, and 2 C's, which is 48. Well, 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 plus 16 is 40. 40 plus 16 is 56. 56 plus 48 is 104. And 104 plus 48 is 152, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check my math. I can't check my math because I'm recording on my phone. I have to do it the whole way. 48, 48, 24 because of 2 12s, 16 and 16. There's 10, 26, 26 is 32, 7, well, this is 10, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I was right. My mental math worked. So my total surface area of this shape right here equals 152. And since we're still working with area, is units squared. Now, this does simple work for a rectangular prism. That's all boxes. Let me show you how to find the surface area of a pyramid. I hope this doesn't fall. Well, we know that a pyramid has a base that's a square. That means all the sides are the same size, so we'll assume this is 6. We know the pyramids are triangular in shape. That means that its faces are triangles. And we'll assume that this height is 5. Let's do 8. Well, we know that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Well, we know our base is 6, our height is 8, and we're going to divide by 2. 6 times 8 is 48. Divided by 2 is 24. So the area of the triangles is 24 units squared. Now we got to remember we have 4 triangles. All these are exactly the same size. So we're going to have to multiply 24 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So for our 4 triangles, we're going to have 96 units squared. Now, the only thing we have to do now is find the area of our square, which is base times height. Base times height. In this case, it is 6 times 6, which is 36 units squared. Now, we still need to add 96 plus 36. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. So our pyramid, the surface area of our pyramid is 132 units squared. Okay, now these are just 2 different types of surface areas. In order to correctly do all the different shapes, you need to separate a 3-dimensional shape into its net and then figure out which shapes it contains. And that's it for today. Thank you.